Okay, so we're doing Globex trading. Hello? Hello, hello? Not doing. But you cannot hear me? Why can you hear me? Oh yeah, you can. All right, here we go. Good evening. Oh, yeah. Advanced value system by Phoenix Trader. From wherever you are, trying to get my work here, but my son must have had taken it because I had it somewhere here. Missed. Right. In any event, I'm gonna follow me. Here's how I took this setup. I'm gonna walk you through it right now. I just got here about 9:45 or so, and I turned on the got to the desk and I turned on my monitors. So here's what I saw. Although I'm in practice, it's still a valuable lesson. Check this out. Okay, here's what I saw. Although I'm in practice, still a valuable lesson. Check this out. So in order for me to take this trade, what I need to do is start either at the daily, which is right here, daily, right here. And the daily will finish in about an hour, right? Because this is the, holy crap, this is already into another day. I just noticed that. Wow. Right here. Oh, because it must be, I don't know. Well, let's scratch that because I don't understand it. If I don't understand it, I cannot explain it. All right, so let's start at the 4 hour. At the 4 hour, what I saw is this is the 2 o'clock candle. So from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, finish. This here with the little hand is, that's the open. This is the close. This is the low and this is the close. So what I saw was that this candle, this 10 a.m. 10 p.m. candle open right here, just below the close of the 4 hour candle. So if you follow my hand, right here at the low. You'll see it here. I'm going to put a little mark right there so you can see it. All right. Let me see. I'm going to put a rose. I'm going to place that rose on the low at the close, which is right here. I'm going to move this down a little bit. I'm going to push it up right here, right there. With that candle, with that C is for close, and then you're going to see 44 and change. So when I place my hand here or my cursor right here, you see 44,375. 44,375 was the close. And then right here, if we move it to the open, which is right here, where I'm going to place this little rose, watch. Right here, over there, over here, look over here. Focus there. So you see 373. 373 there, right? That's the open. Watch. Right here, over there, over here. Look over here. Oh, focus there. So you see 373. 373 got stuck. You got it up. So maybe you see it better here. Watch. So the rose right above that number 10, right above that number 10, open for this one. Open 373, right? And for this one, I'm going to place the rose at the close. This is important. So right here, the rose is at 375. So this one opened 2 ticks below. All right? Below the close. So that gave me the one of the pluses to go short. The next thing I did was, actually, let's make this bigger. Right? So let's make this bigger. One of the pluses. Okay. So then was at the anchor BWAP. This is the anchor BWAP to Globex, which is at 18, which is 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Wednesday. Okay, there, bam. So now we got this going, and I have another anchor BWAP. This might be from the morning. We'll find out in a second. Let's see. Yep. No, this is the 18. This is. Oh, wait a minute. Something's wrong now. This is from. Oh, this is from the 15. When was the 15? 15 was Tuesday. This is from Tuesday. Tuesday, anchor BWAP. That's where it's going. Yeah. All right. So in any event, so that gave me the confidence to go short. And I also looked at this. Green, 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 green. Excuse me. Today, it pushed here but it wasn't. It looks like it's not interested in all of this here. Let me see if I can get. Push here, but it wasn't. Looks like it's not interested in all of this here. Right here. It looks like it's not interested in all of this. Oh, let me bring this down to 48 ticks. That's what I'm risking. So let's keep going with that. So the idea is to come down here to this fair value gap right here. As you see here, this one right here. That would be the target right there. Also, now let's make this small. Let's make this small. What else am I looking at? What else am I looking at? What else am I looking at? One, this two, and this three. This is, I could leave it, but I'd rather take it off. I like it as clean as fast. If anything, okay, so now let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, so this is today opening candle right here. 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Notice that it opened here, right? Why do I have such a yeah, 18. This is where it closed. This is where it opened. If you were lucky enough to come and work Globex at this time, you would have been making bank. Because you would have drawn a line right here. And as soon as it crossed that, bam, you would have gotten all of this. This is from 44.12 to 44.376. That's 25, 4, 5, 6. That's like 65 points. All right, 65 points, which is great. It's doable. This may work, may not work. It's having issues here. But let's continue. Okay, so I see double bottom here. Double bottom on the 1 hour. I'm not liking this at all. Not liking this. How much? Oh, so now I gotta go to the 30-minute. Boom, boom, reversal. This is reversal right here. Reversal. I don't like this. This is reversal. Reversal right there. And then this pointing upward is not good. And I'm looking at another chart right here. And I don't like what I see. Yeah, double bottom. Clear double bottom. And a point of control. Not good. Oh, not both this one too. Yeah, this is not nice. This is not nice. Not nice. On the 1 hour LRC, I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Got a little bit of shit on my uh, was holding this trade so far is that the 5 is pointing down. The EMA 5 is pointing, is hitting the candle hard. I'll show you. You see this? You see this right here? I'm gonna put a little right there. This candle, even though it's like that, place this right here. Although it's green, put it red right there. And then these two right here, let's just move that. these two, you could make an argument to make them green. Yeah. These two. It's just what it was, not what we like to do. So those two right there. Now look what's taking place on the 5-minute. And the volume came in. So we gotta make this. We gotta make this. So this could be two things right here. This PVRA, it's liquidity grab, will tell us a lot. And this one opening above these EMAs on the 5-minute. This is the 5-minute. Opening here is not good. Not good at all. So this right here, I said it before, this is a reversal on the, I think it was the 15. Look at that. Well, we got 5 more minutes here. This is a reversal right here. Smiley face. Right. This right here, I said it's a reversal on the like that. Because it's already crossing the 5. It's tapping the 8. It reached over here. It can do maybe what it did here. It reached over there, and then the next one was it reached over there, and then it came down. But this is very slow. It's 11:30. Probably gold is doing better. Let me look at gold. Where is gold? Yeah. Oof, this is done. This is done. Okay, so also you see how right here where my cursor is, I'm gonna bring it down. See where my cursor is? It says 0.18%. Look at it. 0.18%. Okay. So we were down at 22. So now we are 18. We got 2 minutes on this. This is yeah. Also You got 2 more minutes on this one. If this comes down here and stuff, but it looks to me that it's gonna settle above this one. Look at that. Look at that. So let's get rid of this. And what should we do? Yeah, this is. Yeah. Just comes down here and stuff. The Heikinhachi already telling me that this is a lost case. This is going up. Look at that. Bam. From right there. Poof. 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 The regular here, look at that. Abandoned baby right here. This one. This is 5 minutes. Yeah. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Look at that. Abandoned baby. Wow. Punishing everybody and their mothers. And then over here on the ticks right here, the 89. What is this? I think this is B1. I want to say this is B1. So it means, yeah, B1, regular B1. Yeah, session B1. It might get here, and then come down, but I'm not trading this. So let's see what it is on the 100. On the 100 is holding steady. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Oh. Here, jump down. I'm not trading. $279, $279. 52. That's too much for what we got. 6. And this is about to close. Already closed already. Already closed. The new candle. Look how much that push. It's opening above the 9 and the 5. There, you open right there. You don't, I want you to see it. You open right there. The new candle right there on the 5. You open over here. Very, very wild. So let's see. Yeah. This one is about to cross the 8. It's pushing towards the 13. The session VWAP and the VWAP. So let's see if we got any big orders here. 377 sold. 2144. We are at 21. This is 23. This is old. Any fresh? 23, 23, 17. Let me see some 2, 2, 4, 7, 5, 69, 77, 75. No. Okay, so we're gonna get out. We're gonna get out right about here. So we're gonna do 6. Here. 6. Wow, it's coming down. 6, 5. Let's see if he rolls this way. If not, I'm ready to push the trigger here. Come on, pick me up, pick me up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay, so he picked me up. He picked me up, but I don't trust this to the downside any longer. So shit. So I'm gonna go long right here by there. 5 long. At 7.
Order filled.
Let me see what happens. This is a hit or miss. The good thing is that we're testing it. Wow. I just saw that this is a support area right here. 80. 80 is a support area. This is a support area. Look at that. It came, rested, not far from it. It went up. It came. It crushed it. It came. It's testing here, and then it's going to go down. So I was wrong in getting out. According to this here, rejection. We finally got through. It went down a little bit and then it came back with a force and then it testing it again. And this, it broke support. It came, it tested, it came down. So this is broke support. Wait, it broke from here. Came down, tested, came down, and then it went to grab liquidity. It came back. So let's look at the 5-minute. So right here is holding on, open. It's not closed yet. Still got 2 minutes. But it doesn't look good right now. Oh yeah. Now it closed below the the 5. So if I would have held I'd probably be green instead of red. And I would have been $43 out. I would have been $43 in. So that's a great lesson, but on the 15 minutes. So what's best to do? What's best to do is to mark your levels. If I would have marked this as a area of interest, look at that. Let's see what it looks like on the 4 minute. 4 minute, look at what it did. It went down, it came back up. It's no trade. It looks good though. If we get through this, it'd be fine. But I really doubt it. Because look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour. Having issues. I gotta go to the little boys' school. But we'll see. Let's put a safeguard right here. Safeguard right there. That's. I'm looking at gold over here on the other chart. See if it's going to work. You guys are terrible. I don't know why. Why the Gemini? Oh yeah, you work differently. Okay. Fine. I think gold may break. I see a good reversal there. Let me see. 1, 2, and now it's pushing again. It's pushing to get through the BWAP. That's a lot of power. You see, 2 candles is doing the work. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go to the gold. We're gonna split it. Let's go real quick. We're gonna go hit the gold. The gold is let's try this one here for the gold. Gold right here. I like it there. And we're gonna go buy. And we're gonna go buy 3 in. And we're going to do this. So we have the gold here, right? And then we're going to have the Dow right here. Why are you not giving me numbers? Oh, okay, now I know. Right here, yep, okay. So now we green, but we need to add. We're going to add because the last one took us out with 6. So now we're going to add 3. We're going to add 3 long right here. Let's see if it comes down for me or not. We're going to go long. We're looking at, remember right here? This right here? 43.88, 18%. So we got to get this back to high.
Order filled.
Okay, so we're in with what? Wait a minute. What took place? Oh, hold on. We got filled on the gold. We got Phil Long on the goal, and we're gonna shoot for the moon. This is beautiful right here. Okay, so let me change this here right here to 15. So we got a target right there of 49. 349 right here, $300. So we're gonna do times two. 1, 2. 49 times 2, not 3. You dumb. We're gonna do 49, 2 there, and then 1 here, a runner right there, and we're gonna look for the 5 minute, and you look at the 5 minute. This is perfect. I don't know what this 8. We're gonna risk 450. We're gonna risk 450 on this trade. 450 is right here. Let's put it right here. I like when I see that. Okay. It's all being recorded. You can come back. Why did I take this trade? Notice that I was talking about this trade prior to even looking at it. I have another monitor that I have everybody and their mother when it comes to what is this? Indices or futures. So I got oil, I got NQ, I got ES, I got YM, I got RTY, and I got gold. So I saw on the, I want to say that's the 15 minute. On the 15 minute candle, I saw this one, I saw this one, and I saw this one. On the other chart, which only has the big one in it. And I say, wow. And I look backwards, and I see 1, 2, this one touch, came back, and I saw 2 candles to make this one versus over here, down, down. And I'm like, yeah. And I said, yeah, let's do it. So I said, let's do it. It's going to go. It's something that it comes to you through watching charts. So now we are about to cross BWAP, and we'll get the first one right here at 300. And then the next one here at times 1, because that will be the runner. I mean, I can even throw it up there since it's a runner, but I want to make the 20 takes and be happy. This right here. Okay, so let's go back here. See, now we got green, but it hasn't taken this 3. So we need to, because this is forgetting about 60, 38 at 69. Really? Holy crap. Where is that? 69. Right here. I'm going to do 3 right here. Wow, I like that. Look at that. 38 at 369. That's That's on what time? 23:37. 20. That's 10 minutes ago. So that gives me assurance to go long. So I'm going to push it up.
Order filled.
Yep. So we go in 8, and we're going to put our stop right below 369. 369. Right here. So that gives me assurance to go long. So that's my stop right there. $37. That's what we wasted on this. In this. I wonder where they put it. Because that's a lot. So I'm going to log out. And I'm going to place this tray. Ooh, look at this. Playing with my emotions. But where's that stop? 660. Wow. See, it came back down here. But look at it. The 5 is pointing up and it's about to cross the 13. And it's about to cross the red. That's not 660. But look at it. The 5 is pointing up and it's about to cross the 13. And it's about to cross red. It's pointing up and pointing up. Okay, so we're going to stop the recording now. Let's look at the other one for a second. What is this? MYM. Oh, because I was looking at this. Yeah, I was looking at 369. That's only 9. Okay. There's something I'm not comfortable with, and that is having the stop so close to here. Because this, it crossed 70, yeah. So 69 will be there. But the ideal is here. Give it room. Can I afford $89 of stop loss? Sure. Let's look at this. I'm nearly choking the tray by having it here, in my opinion. So I'm going to do my thing. I'm going to do it my way because I feel better. I feel better. So let me see. Yeah, that right there. Bam, from right there. No, we'll see. So we're struggling here. So now we are $93 stop loss right here, the risk, right? To make what? Let's look at to make what? 95? Is that worth it? Or we could do this one of these.
well. Maybe. Oh, wow, I need work on my shit. No position with it. So, right. Mm-hmm. 43 takes to risk. Now, what is that? 44 into 63. I'm trying this thing. Time is 163. Should 41 ticks. So that would be 2, 4. That's about a 1-to-1. Leaving it there. It's freaking thing. Don't be doing it. Rejecting big what? Interesting. Rejecting big what? You rejected it already. But this is 60. I think it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Still the same shows. See what we got on this one. Oh my God, we're going red. We getting hammered here. Not bueno. Rejection of the big wap again. But this is a small rejection. This is a small rejection. If with 2 minutes to go, 15-minute candle like this is really good. And it's pushing out. Because look at 1, 2, 3. If the next 2 minutes, we close black, but if we close green, volume is going to come. Volume is going. Look at it. Look at that. It's about to close above the 5. Where have these candles close or rebound from? They have rebound from the 5, the 8, and the 13, on the 13. So here, smart person would have gotten in right here, above the 5, the 8, and the 13. See this one? It's looking for stops right here. Got a minute. It's still a lot of work to do. This is taking action. 2. This one should start heading north and changing color. And he did. He did. Let's see what he did on the 15 minute. See? Right there. Audible. Bam. Rejection. Hard. You get in here and look at where they're all rejecting from. It's the first Bollinger Band right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. This one went below, 4 stops, and then bam, to the moon. It's going to continue. Actually, this one has more potential than this one right here. Even though this one is green now. But you see the power of the 5, the power of the 8, the power of the 13, the Bollinger Band. So let's do. So we're gonna take a push. You see that button? Let's push back. You're gonna see me mark this up. I'll mark this up. I go here. And, ahorita bien. So, you ready? So I'm gonna leave you. Let's see how we're doing here. We're doing really bad. However, we're still above the 13, the 5, and the 8. For the time being. Can he calm down here? Sure. Sure. But that's what we're hoping for to go up. Oh my God, $400. Oh, and we got 600 drawdown. Oh, might be coming for me. So let's say I have 1,200 in my bet, right? I got $1,000. I got 1,000 to work with. Let's see if he happens. This might be crazy. I see another thing just popped up here. Hmm. I'm hoping, no, I hope it's not a strand. So we're gonna do this before we get out. I'm gonna make this mistake I make over there. And we're gonna do feeble. We'll do the feeble. So it went below. Let's do this. My God, look at that. He did this right here. So that's a telltale sign. Wow. Oh, because it's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Wow. Telltale sign. Oh, because it's 12 o'clock. Here's another $50 that you gotta pay to redo your shit. Let's see what's going on with MU. This one is holding steady. Wow. Reset. Oh, let me see something too. Wow, unpredictable. Nice, no train, no nothing. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna stop the recording, came back.